Wild animals. Some animals are wild. They don't live in a home or cages. They live in jungle or on plains. The lion is the king of the beasts. He is very mighty. He roars loudly. The giraffe has a long leg. He eats leaves from the tulip tree. The elephant is very large. He has a trunk and two tusks. The tiger has twice. Some bears are black and some are brown. There are even white bears called polar bear. A kangaroo lives in Australia. That is the only place that you would find a kangaroo except in a zoo. It might be failing to run into a wall or a fog. Monkeys run and play in the tree. In Canada, we don't see lion, tiger, rhinoceros, or monkeys running wild. There are squirrels in my backyard. Sometimes I see a raccoon or a chipmunk. In northern Ontario, you might see a moose or a bear. I have seen a deer in the forest. There are many wild animals. You can see wild animals if you go to the zoo.